Dr. Domaton Honorable Olanya voluntarily reports to Aswa Regional Police of a Balaalo land dispute. Former Aru County MP Dr. Domaton announced on Monday via formerly Twitter account that he and Clarksouth MP Honorable Olanya have voluntarily reported to the Aswa Regional Police headquarters in Gulu. The move follows a police summons accusing the two legislators of malicious damage and criminal trespass after they allegedly opened community road and water points that had been blocked by Balaalo cattle keeper. But what is very clear and open is they only cleared the way because Balaalo fence was blocking community access road and water point. We shall not relent, Dr. Domoto, reforming their stance against what they describe as illegal land blocking and denial of community access to essential resources. Attached to his post was a copy of the official police invitation letter originating from the district police headquarters in Pade. The letter, issued under section 27A of the Police Act, directs both MPs to appear and provide information, exhibits, and other relevant materials to aid investigations into the case. The document indicates that the complaint involves obstruction of community access to public infrastructure, an issue that has been at the center of increasing tensions between locals and Balaalo pastoralists in parts of northern Uganda. Dr. Domoton and Gilbert have been vocal advocates for Acholi community land rights, often clashing with authorities and Balaalo settlers over grazing land, blocked roads, and encroachment on water sources. As of the release time, neither the Uganda Police Force nor the MPs had disclosed further details about the progress of the investigation.